Tea tree is one of the most popular and one of my most favorite essential oils because it is so versatile. Tea tree essential oil promotes healthier air quality and eliminates musty odors when diffused. It works great in cleaning products, it can help with skin issues such as zits, and can also be used as a natural hand sanitizer or a natural deodorant. For me, my top 3 ways to use tea tree essential oil are: 1, in my laundry. I add a few drops of tea tree directly in my laundry detergent to eliminate odors. It works great, especially on musty towels. 2, in my natural household cleaners. Tea tree is a very effective cleaner and is an added benefit to my homemade or unscented household cleaners. And 3, on my skin. Tea tree is fabulous for helping to clear teenage blemishes and other problem skin areas. Dilute tea tree essential oil to about 1% and use it as a spot treatment for zits. Are you looking for a DIY all-purpose cleaner that is easy to make, smells great, and very effective? Today I have a quick and easy DIY all-purpose cleaner for you. You will need a spray bottle, 5 ounces of water, which is already in the spray bottle, 3 ounces of white vinegar, 2 squirts of Castile soap, and then you will need 8 drops of sweet orange, 6 drops of tea tree, and 4 drops of eucalyptus globulus. We'll put the sprayer top back on and give it a nice shake. And then all you need to do is spray the surface and wipe it with a damp sponge or cloth. How easy was that?